So you may be wondering what content marketing is. Well, stick around and we will talk about that in this video. My name is Ryan Weber and I am here to help small business owners with their content marketing, video, and everything to help you ultimately grow your business. But first, before we get started in this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button so when I put out new videos, you can get alerted for the next one when it comes out. I'm one of those guys who hates these long drawn out YouTube videos for a very simple answer, so we're gonna get straight to the point, we're gonna cut to the chase, and there's not gonna be much fluff in between of what the actual answer is to what is content marketing. So what is content marketing? Content marketing truly is the act of creating valuable content for potential clients. What does all that mumbo jumbo mean? Really what it ultimately means is you are creating value for a potential client solving one of their problems. So content is something that you are creating to help a potential client. You as a business owner solve problems. That's what you do. That's why you have a business. You are here to solve a problem. If you don't think that's what your business does, you're in the wrong business of owning a business because that's what you do. You solve problems. So content marketing is creating content that solves little problems for potential clients. If you can continually solve little minor problems when your solution that you have is there and available to solve this bigger problem, they're going to select you to solve that problem for them. So what are these pieces of content, you might ask? Well, let me just tell you. You can create videos, you can create podcasts, you can create Facebook posts, you can create blog posts, you can create podcasts. Did I say that already? You can create Instagram posts, you can create photos, you can create... What'd you say? You can create Pinterest. I don't do Pinterest. That's why now part of my content marketing plan. You can create YouTube videos. You can create short form videos. You can create so many little pieces of content that ultimately helps your potential client with a problem. That's what content marketing is. So in traditional advertising, where your traditional marketing would come in is you advertise a deal, an offer, a discount, whatever it may be, and that's going to drive business into your store. In content marketing, you are solving problems over and over again. So when they need your help for a bigger problem, they're going to just automatically come to you to solve that problem for them. You're going to give away a ton of free advice. You're going to give away a ton of free help. You're going to build a ton of trust before they ever give you $1. Now, this is a harder one to track. It's a harder one to get in your head, but when it works and it works really, really well, you're going to reap a lot more benefit of building a solid customer base than when you just run a normal traditional marketing offer. I've built all of my businesses off of content marketing. It's worked very, very well. I believe in it. I know it works really, really successfully if it's done right. Stop asking for offers. Stop asking for sales. Just provide value and solve problems that people have on a regular basis through multiple streams of content across the multiple platforms that those potential clients are on. That, in a nutshell, is content marketing. Once again, this is Ryan Weber. Subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video. My name is Ryan Weber, and that's about it.